Hi everyone, this video is dedicated to our tool JoPilot that's going to help you to find jobs in the US that is particular for US only. So we are going to proceed with our app. For this particular video, you do not need any ChatGPT subscription. As the first step, please go to app.copilot.us and you're going to see all the apps that we've been working on. You can double check if there is something else fitting your requirements or needs. Today we're going to talk about JoPilot right here, and as you can see there are two options, chat on GPT and chat on copilot.us, and as promised before we're going to use chat on copilot.us, so you do not need any ChatGPT subscription whatsoever. Here you're redirected to the dialog window and we are ready to start with our first prompt. We're going to cover three prompts, three examples. They're all a little bit different so you can see all the capabilities of the tool. So the first one is going to be as simple as waiter positions in Miami, Florida. As you can see, we have two important factors here. We are looking for waiter positions, and the second one, it is important for us to have it in Miami. So we will have a little bit other cases just in a bit, but here it is very simple. If you are not particular or precise about different factors as the restaurants you're looking your position at or allocations in terms of neighborhood, I think that is a great starting point to have as wide range of options as possible. Here you can see we already got the list of different positions. You can see that is also hyperlink, so if you want to know a little bit more details about this particular offer, you can click on that and see what they are offering. And here you can see also to see more job openings, there is another link. And please make sure that you are getting back to us with your feedback. There are always links to feedback, or in case you need a little bit more technical features, you can always provide us with that information and we will make our best to be sure that you have those new features integrated as soon as possible. So the second example is a little bit more precise. For example, let's say we are looking for marketing manager position in New York, and for example with $25 an hour. It is a bit more precise because we are looking for a particular manager position in the particular city, but also what is important for us is the hourly pay here. Of course, I just put the random information in marketing New York 25 an hour. You can tailor it to the needs that you have or city or particular position that you're looking for, but the logic is pretty much the same. You can see you have more information. You can click on all the links and see what offers are there. Of course, if you are just a graduate or still a student and you do not have that much experience, do not worry. There are different kinds of jobs and positions that this particular AI app can offer for you. So let's say positions for students with no experience and remotely, for example, because let's say you're still studying, you don't really have time to go to the office and you work to combine it with your studies. Again, this particular app can cover different levels of positions from just starting entry positions like here for students with no experience to senior level and executive level. You just need to input the right keywords, the aspects that are important for you, whether that is a salary or location or even the companies that you want or do not work for. For example, you are not eager to work for tobacco companies, you can always input that no tobacco companies recommended, please. And after that, again, you can see there are different links here that you can explore a little bit more, see what is actually fitting your position, and also see more openings here. Do not forget to provide us with your feedback, please. So just to recap, there are different aspects that you can input, different keywords, for example, like salary, position, location, which companies you want or do not work with. But I think that is a great tool to get out of the bubble of one or two websites where you are looking for your jobs. So to make sure that you know all the options that are out there. I hope it is very easy to follow these instructions. In case you have any questions, please feel free to contact our support team. They're always there to make your experience as smooth as possible. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye, guys.